Hey Google, bedroom lights on.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily set up a Wi-Fi RGB smart bulb. The smart bulbs comes in a box with specifications written on it. It also comes with a user manual. To get started on Android, you'll need to download the Smart Life app. I believe the process is the same for iPhone users. Then you'll need to set up an account if you don't already have one. You can go to the settings and update the credentials if you already have a Smart Life app account. Remove your dated ordinary bulb and fit in the new Wi-Fi smart bulb and power it on. On a new installation, the smart bulb will blink repeatedly, indicating that it's ready to be set up. Open your Wi-Fi settings and connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Then open the Smart Life app and wait for the device to appear or connect automatically. If not, you can go to the plus sign on the top right corner and then add the device manually. For the connection to be easier and faster, you may enable Bluetooth on your phone. For some reason, this helps with the speedy discovery and connection of these devices. Once the device has been added successfully, press Done and the menu for the bulb will come up. This enables you to change the bulb color, the dimness, the brightness, powering it on and off, and also changing the mode. From this menu, you can also schedule tasks for automation purposes. Here is a brief demonstration for a task that I scheduled for 1:22 p.m. In this modern age and time, the practical applications for this feature are limitless. Among the more important uses is the automation of security lights. To add voice functionality, you need to download and install the Google Home app. You will also need to set up a Google Home account if you don't already have one. Open the Smart Life app and link your account to the Google account through the following method. If you're already linked, you will need to relink every time you add a new device. Once linked, the Google Home app will open and display all your devices. You will be able to edit, remove, or add any other devices that were added through this method. You can also set up further automation tasks through this menu.
Hey Google, turn bedroom light on. Hey Google, turn bedroom light down to 5%.
Setting the bedroom bulb brightness to 5%.
Hey Google, turn bedroom light color to red.
Alright, changing the bedroom bulb to red.
Hey Google, turn the bedroom light color to purple.
Okay, changing the bedroom bulb to purple.
Hey Google, bedroom light off.